In a gripping turn of events, the trial of Justin Johnson, one of the key suspects in the tragic murder of Memphis rapper Young Dolph, has officially begun. This highly anticipated trial, taking place in Memphis, Tennessee, marks a pivotal moment for the local community and the hip-hop world, both of which were profoundly shaken by Dolph's untimely death. Young Dolph, born Adolph Thornton Jr., was shot and killed on November 17, 2021, outside Makeda's Cookies, a popular spot in the city where he was known to frequent. As the courtroom convened, it became clear that emotions were running high. The prosecution, led by Deputy District Attorney Paul Hagerman, opened the proceedings with a powerful statement that recounted the impactful life and career of young Dolph. He painted a vivid picture of Dolph as an artist fiercely determined to forge his own path in the music industry, resisting the pressures from rival labels. Hagerman detailed how Dolph had famously turned down offers from Collective Music Group, that is CMG, a label affiliated with his rivals, and had even released diss tracks aimed at them, raising tensions that would ultimately lead to violence. Throughout the opening statements, the prosecution introduced video evidence from the night of the shooting, showing the moments leading up to Dolph's tragic death. Johnson and another suspect, Cornelius Smith, were allegedly captured on surveillance footage exiting a stolen Mercedes-Benz and opening fire as Dolph was making a purchase inside the cookie shop. As the harrowing images were presented to the jury, the gravity of the situation became all too apparent. Defense attorney Luke Evans countered with a narrative that aimed to discredit the prosecution's case. He asserted that the testimonies from witnesses, particularly Cornelius Smith, should not be trusted, portraying Smith as someone desperate to save himself. Evans argued that similarities in clothing were insufficient evidence to prove Johnson's involvement, emphasizing the lack of physical evidence linking him to the crime. As testimonies unfolded, the courtroom heard from Dolph's family, who spoke about their profound loss and the impact of his death on their lives. Erica Thornton, Dolph's sister, recounted her close bond with him and the moment she identified his body. Further complicating the narrative, Smith took the stand, admitting his role in the murder while revealing the chaotic circumstances that led to the shooting. He stated that he and Johnson agreed to carry out the hit for a promised payout, revealing that they had connections to individuals who sought to eliminate Dolph due to a long-standing rivalry. The trial has been set against a backdrop of extensive media coverage and community outrage, echoing the deep scars left by Dolph's murder. His legacy as a trailblazer in the Memphis rap scene continues to resonate, making this trial not just a legal battle, but also a crucial chapter in the fight for justice in a city that has seen too much violence. As the jury deliberates the testimonies and evidence presented, the stakes remain high. If convicted, Johnson and Smith could face life in prison without the possibility of parole. The courtroom drama continues to unfold, with more witnesses expected to take the stand, including those who have first-hand accounts of the events that transpired on that fateful day. The trial is set to proceed with further testimonies, keeping the community and fans of young Dolph on edge as they seek answers and justice for a beloved artist whose life was cut tragically short. Stay subscribed for more videos.